Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Despite the pandemic, the Don Bosco Confederation continues to favor spaces of participation that serve to give voice to young people, facilitating the formation of people to create active and critical citizenship that in turn promotes democratic participation. We have always opted for child participation as a right and also as a pedagogical process in which children are the real protagonists, says David Arduengo, Program Coordinator of the Confederation. Due to the situation generated by COVID-19, instead of a mass meeting from November 2020 to January 2021, different local child and youth participation forums have been held in different Salesian youth centers. In these meetings, children have been invited to express their views, wishes and concerns about the use of ICT and social media. On January 31st, the feast day of Saint Juan Bosco, founder of Salesians, a campaign to publicize the mission of the religious congregation at the current time has been launched worldwide. Through a video announcement, the young people recipients of the evangelizing mission and educator of the congregation, underscoring the idea that each one is unique, unrepeatable, unique models, limited edition. The mission of Salesians in more than 130 countries where they are present is to walk alongside them, help them find their own way, build their future, cultivate their dreams.
Estás admirando a este joven, un modelo exclusivo, único, irrepetible, con sus características, sus pasiones y su historia. Una edición limitada que muchas veces no está bajo los focos. Millones de modelos únicos abandonados, no escuchados, no acompañados. Los salesianos en el mundo les ayudan a cultivar sueños, a construir un futuro irrepetible para encontrar el propio camino de una vida de edición limitada. Porque los jóvenes no son todos iguales, todos son únicos.
Pope Francis established in July the first World Day of Grandparents and Elders. It will take place starting this year on the 4th Sunday of July near the feast of Saint Joachim and Anna, the grandparents of Jesus. The day will allow, as announced today by Francisco at the end of Angelus prayer, to celebrate the gift of old age and to remember those who before us and for us cherish and pass on life and faith. On 26 January 2021, Salesians of Delhi, relatives, well-wishers and staff members gathered in Don Bosco School, Alaknanda, to celebrate with Father Augustine Topo and Father Swanup Chowdhury on the joyous occasion of their silver jubilee of religious profession. In a rare but challenging initiative, Salesian College Sonata floated a scheme to provide 100 girl students a laptop each at affordable price. In the first phase of distribution, 55 laptops were given, marking the feast of the patron of the college, St. John Bosco, Don Bosco, 30th January 2021. Remaining 45 laptops will be distributed soon in the second phase. Yesterday, the feast day of Don Bosco was celebrated all over the world. Almost a century and a half after his death, his message is more alive than ever among young people on all 5 continents. For this reason, despite the difficulties imposed by the pandemic, Salesians, young people and families wanted to pay homage to the father and teacher of the youth. It was a weekend full of activities for the Rector Major Don Angel Fernandez Artime. On the occasion of the feast of Don Bosco, of which Don Angel Fernandez Artime is the 10th successor, the whole Salesian world looked to him to receive his charismatic word. The dense agenda of commitments has not, however, diverted concentration from the essential to disseminate the example of the founder's life as an authentic man of God at the service of men. Run, jump, shout, but do not sin. John Don Bosco. These words are the reminders for every youth to express themselves well in all they do and to avoid sin like avoiding a serpent. Don Bosco, known as a friend and educator of the youth, he lived his life to bring more souls to the Lord through his heroic sacrifices. He made a tremendous change in the lives of the youth of that era. 31st January is being celebrated as his feast day, and following his words, youth of today too are experiencing the same charisma and different priests who dedicated their lives for the young to lead them to the Lord to driven ways of celebrating life in the most beautiful way by coming and sharing the joy and love in abundance. Joining hands with the rest of the Salesian family across the globe, the Salesian Youth Movement Shillong Province also celebrated the feast day of its founder, St. John Bosco, on 31st January. The day started with the Holy Mass with Father L.B. Anthony, Rector of Shillong Training Center, as the main celebrant, along with Father James, Assistant Director of Youth Center Shillong, and Father Anthony Kharkongor, Principal of St. Anthony's High Secondary School. The Mass was celebrated in a solemn manner with praise and hymns led by the brothers and participation of the Shillong Youth Movement members Shillong. After the Mass, different activities and youth-oriented programs were held throughout the day. Dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.